James Janiga from Growth Innovation Strategy here. GIS is proud to launch our do-it-yourself introduction to strategic planning guidance in a 9-part course tailored and priced for beginners or experienced practitioners, whether your organization is a nonprofit or a small to mid-cap company. Starting with an easy-to-understand introduction to determine your starting point, each lesson builds your skills, confidence, and strategy as the course walks you step by step to an actionable plan robust enough to beat dynamic markets and pragmatic enough to be easily implemented. The lessons are designed to take you step by step from needing a strategy to implementing one. It starts with an internal look at baselining and groundwork. Then it moves to the view from outside, what's moving in your industry, among your competitors, and for your customers. You'll build strategic options and stress test them, ultimately pulling it all together into a big picture for your team, strategic priorities you're aligned around, and a strategy your whole organization can execute. Check out the course link in the notes below.